welcome to the research realm. Today we're going to be talking with Jamie to get a better understanding about clinical trials. So Jamie, could you give me a better understanding on what clinical trials are?
Sure. So clinical trials are research studies that involve different medications, whether they're new or existing. It can also be devices, and we use volunteers to test those before they can go to market.
So all the medications that you guys are testing, I am not able to get them right now in the pharmacy.
Kind of. So you can go to the pharmacy and you can get some of them, because some of them they're just changing like the formulation of it, whether it be if it's, what's called a DDI study, which is like a drug-drug interaction. So they'll test one medication with another one to see how it works together. But typically all of the medications, especially if they're new, they have to go through years of testing before they can go to market.
So in order for you to test these medications, how do you get people to volunteer for these studies?
Well, we like to go out and do what we call outreach events. So we'll show up at different health fairs, job fairs. We go to baseball games, things like that. And we just like to educate the community and let them know what it is that we're doing. We also provide information on our website, on the social media pages, kind of word of mouth.
So whenever a person signs up for a study and gets on a study, what usually happens during their stay in the clinic?
They will check in, and during check-in, they will check things like lab ranges, things like that, to make sure that they still qualify. And then once they get through that process, they'll receive a schedule of when they're going to have blood draws and dosing and meals and things like that. We also have a game room where they can go and they can play pool. There's actual video games. We've got a poker table. There's all kinds of board games and things. We also have a quiet room, which has books that they can read. They're more than welcome to bring their own books and games. We also have a new business center, which is for anybody that is either doing like online school or working from home, things like that. So that way they still are able to do that.
That's awesome how you guys try to make everything feel at home and make the stay for the volunteer very comfortable. So if somebody wants to be a new volunteer and participate, or somebody that wants to figure out the new studies that are coming available, how can they figure that out?
I would tell them to go to fortreaclinicaltrials.com, our website, so that way they can see what all is posted and currently recruiting. Not only that, they can follow us on all of our social media pages. That way they can follow us and see when new things are happening. We'll also post different events that we'll be attending. And then of course there's information about everything, how studies are, what they do, all of that on the website.
Well, thank you so much, Jamie, for your time on explaining and giving us a better understanding on clinical trials. So if you guys would like to see any more episodes, keep watching our social pages. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.